the end of this year, we are planning to support more tokens. We aim to provide more services as well, like all the derivative exchange, and also support cross-chain trade, like user can trade between Bitcoin and other ERC20 tokens on our platform.
I think the exciting thing about Caspian is that we're live today. So we have clients on the system trading in various different markets or on various different exchanges today. So really the game plan for 2018 is really to scale up the platform and start to bring more and more clients onto the platform.
So right now the big thing we're doing is building up our community. So our target market is developers to use our database. So we're building up an open source community, consumers who will use the product. So that's going on for the next couple of months aggressively. The alpha version of the product will come out end of June, early July. So we've got some customers already who are just waiting to do that. And then the rest of the year is just to keep adding features to that. And really the big thing is grow that developer community throughout Asia.
Mergo and I think Cardano in general, we're focusing on a slow build. So a lot of people are focused on short-term prices and day trading. We don't focus on anything like that. What we're trying to do is actually get into developing markets. So set up infrastructure, set up ecosystem, set up commercial partners, and funding structure so that we can build fintech projects in the emerging markets.
Yeah. So for all those three key technologies, right? We already accomplished 2. So our mainnet is already live in early 2018. Privacy and the smart contracts, they are ready to use. And currently we actually have 6 projects. They are coming to Wenchain, and they will help to build the ecosystem of Wenchain. These are dApps on Wenchain. Yeah.
Over the course of this year, we're going to see more and more features added to these 4 components, which will ultimately result into this SDK we are always talking about, which enables the developer to build a blockchain application.
And we are going to list most of the tokens they have, and also we are providing instant exchange API for those projects, just for their customers to have an ability to exchange Bitcoin for their token right inside the application.
Crypto, this community, this sort of stuff, you need to know your stuff. And I'm going to tell you right now, you need to know your stuff in order to really make your money.
We are launching our first version of smart contracts. In this case, it will be non-Turing complete smart contracts. And we just understand that to be competitive among the good companies, we need to be very technologically competitive. So in this case, we have our own way to be non-Turing complete smart contracts. We think that it will be like a big step to be, to mass adoption of blockchain technologies now main goal.
The first problem we try to solve is performance. It's the scalability of blockchain. So we have our own smart contract system, our own virtual machine, and we have our programming language. It's not programming language, we have compilers to convert those matured language into smart contract on the blockchain. So that's the first thing we want to solve.
One thing on our roadmap, we created this multi-sig wallet. It's mainly used by teams so far, but currently we are working on a personal version of it. So the simple idea is you have one key on your phone, one key on your computer, so it feels like two-factor authentication, as people already know it.
We believe everybody should be free to connect to the internet how they want. So really that's what we're building. We're building a new layer of the internet which enables people to browse the internet and connect to the internet in a way that is completely free of censorship and surveillance.
For the Taiwanese audience that are watching, I would love to see them in Hong Kong later. I mean, the Taiwanese have so much to offer. There's a really deep understanding of technology there that we don't get in a lot of financial centers like Hong Kong and Singapore. So for you guys to be able to come over and have a deeper conversation, we're really excited to have them engaged.
Definitely. Thank you so much, Andrew.
Hey, all right, looking forward to it.
Thank you.